Welcome back to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at how researchers are teaching AI to be better conversationalists, not just for one-liners, but for entire, goal-oriented dialogues. Think about a sales agent chatbot. Its purpose isn't just to answer a question correctly, but to guide a long conversation towards a specific outcome, like a sale. The problem is that training an AI for this is very difficult. The reward, like a completed purchase, only appears at the very end of a potentially long conversation. This is what's known in AI as a sparse reward problem, and it's like trying to learn how to play chess by only being told if you won or lost at the end of the game, with no feedback on your individual moves. To solve this, researchers at Meta developed a new technique they call Iterative PPO. The core idea is to cleverly reduce the complex, multi-turn problem into a sequence of much simpler single-turn problems. Here is their diagram showing how it works. First, the system collects and analyzes lots of conversation data to see what kinds of responses tend to lead to successful outcomes down the line. From this data, it trains a special predictive model called a Q function. You can think of this Q function as an expert coach for the AI. This coach can look at any potential response the AI might give and estimate its long-term value for achieving the final goal. So, the AI is no longer just trying to generate a good reply, but a strategic one. Then, as the name Iterative PPO suggests, the process repeats. The improved AI has more conversations, which creates new data. This new data is used to train an even smarter coach, which in turn trains an even better AI. This cycle of learning and improvement allows the AI to become progressively more effective at achieving its long-term goals. The paper provides a great example. A customer messages a home renovation business. A simple AI might give a generic reply like, "Can you share more details?" But the strategically trained AI suggests a more proactive response. "Great. We specialize in kitchen and bathroom renovations." For the kitchen, are you looking at something specific like flooring or cabinets? This is more outcome-driven because it actively moves the conversation toward a concrete plan. One of the biggest practical advantages of this method is that it leverages existing, off-the-shelf AI training tools. This makes it significantly easier to implement than building a whole new system from scratch. It creates a stable and practical middle ground between constantly learning from live interactions and only learning from a static, offline dataset. So, to recap the key points, the researchers found a powerful way to train AI for long-term goals by breaking down conversations into single, strategic steps. They use a predictive model as a coach to evaluate each step and then iterate this process to continuously improve the AI's performance. The implications here are huge. This approach could be used for all sorts of AI agents, from sophisticated customer service bots and educational tutors to agentic systems that help us with complex tasks. It represents a significant step towards creating AI that can truly collaborate with us to achieve tangible, real-world outcomes. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.